Welcome to our channel, and let's learn something new today.
Your electric guitar is basically just a quiet wire until it hits this box. So, how does an amp actually work?
It starts with your pickups. When you pluck a string, the vibrating metal disturbs a magnetic field, creating a tiny electrical signal. That weak signal travels down your cable and hits the preamp. Think of it as the amp's control room. It boosts the signal and sets the bass tone. Next, it passes through the tone stack. Bass, mids, and treble act like audio filters, carving out exactly how you want it to sound. Then comes the power amp. It takes that shaped signal and supercharges it with enough raw electricity to actually move air.
That's why two amps playing the same guitar can sound completely different. It's not just volume, it's a chain of carefully shaped electricity.
Want a deep dive into tube versus solid state? Drop a comment and subscribe for more gear breakdowns.